While on the Pies Around the House, today I'm going to show you the best tool that I own and why I think everyone should have one. Drum roll please. And this is it, my battery powered 18 volt cordless compressor. Now if you're thinking that's no good to me, I don't own Makita tools, don't worry, the focus of this video is on the fact that it's a cordless compressor, not the brand. These cordless compressors are made by many other brands like Milwaukee, DeWalt, Works, Ryobi and so on. So why is this the best tool I own? Well, I use it on literally everything, from the football to the car tyre, to the bike tyre, the wheelbarrow tyre, the netball, the gym ball, and the list goes on. Now of course you've got compressors which you plug into the car like you can see here, but these are a bit of a faff. They've got a long cable, you've got to unreel it, you've got to plug it into the cigarette lighter, then you have to drag the compressor round to the right side of the car. If you're inflating a bike tyre, for example, you have to wheel the bike to the compressor. The beauty of this is instead of taking the thing you want to inflate to the compressor, instead you take the compressor to the thing you want to inflate. We've got these different attachments and I'll go through those now. This attachment is for using on a particular type of valve used on mountain bikes and road bikes. This one is for inflating things like large inflatable balls, which is perfect for my daughter's gym ball. This attachment here is perfect for inflating netballs, footballs, basketballs or rugby balls. Then you have the end of the compressor itself, which goes straight onto a very common type of valve which is used on car tyres, bike tyres and even my wheelbarrow. Now the one thing to bear in mind with a portable compressor is you will need a compatible battery and a battery charger. Now assuming you've signed yourself up to a particular brand of tools already, then this shouldn't be an issue. If on the other hand you don't have any battery powered tools, then maybe this is the start of your journey. We take the battery, we slide that in the back like that. To turn it on, we just hold down this button here and you'll notice that that light comes on the top. The hose has two nice clips to keep it neat. I'll remove that to show you the screen more clearly. You can see on the front we've got an LED light, which is perfect if you're inflating something in the dark as it illuminates the area that we're trying to inflate. On the top of the screen there's this white button and we can adjust the units of pressure. So PSI, bar or kPa. Just by pressing that you can see you go through the different settings. I like mine on PSI. To adjust the target pressure we can just go up or down with these buttons here. So currently mine is set to 30.5. If I want to reduce that, press this down button there. If for example we set that to 26 psi like that, when we use the compressor it hits 26 psi, it will cut off and stop inflating whatever it is that we're pumping up. So let's go and do a quick demo. Now you'll see when you attach the compressor to the valve, it will give you the existing tyre pressure, which is 34.5 psi. I'm going to set my compressor to 36 psi, then we pull the trigger. As you can see, it just cuts out when it gets to 36 psi. Now we're in the garage, we're going to do a different type of valve on the bike tyre. So this time we're taking this adapter, we're going to screw it onto the valve. Then we place the compressor over the end and close the valve. I'm going to set the PSI to 17. When it gets to 17, it cuts off and the tyre is inflated. This time we're going to inflate the football, and to do that we're using this attachment. It's a good idea to wet these first before you put them in the football. Place that into the end of the compressor like that, pull that down. And set that to 8 psi. And once at 8 psi, it cuts off and stops. And then finally, we're back in the house to use this attachment on my daughter's gym ball. Just slide the attachment into there, pull the lever down. One other thing I use this compressor for, which I haven't mentioned yet, on my motorbikes, and if the weather's good at very short notice, I can take this to the bike in the garage and the tyres are pumped up in seconds. You can head over to my other channel, Pies Out of the House, where you can watch me riding those bikes along with videos of my other various hobbies. I'll put a link to the channel on the screen now. So hopefully now you can see I use this compressor all the time, and that's exactly why I think everyone should own one. Now if you find this video useful, can you please give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, can you please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for regular notifications. I've been Pies Around the House. Ta-ta, farewell.